So here is how you can remove restrictions on your Facebook account. So step number one will be to head to Facebook. You then want to go to the top left hand corner, click on the three lines. And then now if we go down, you want to select settings and privacy. Once we do this, you can then click on the settings option. And now if we go to the top to the Meta Account Center, you want to select that. Now from here, you need to go down and you want to select personal details. And then from here, you simply want to select identity confirmation. Now, once you confirm your identity on this page, we can then go back now to the main menu of the settings menu here. Once you do this, you want to go to help and support, click on the drop down menu, and then you want to click on report a problem. Once you do this, it will then ask you to shake your phone whenever you encounter the problem or the restriction. And then once you do this, this should then help Facebook resolve your problem with the restrictions on your account. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix restrictions on your Facebook account.